Honorable Telabi. Yes, now what PDS agreement and share anymore. Say, I'm not come and say.
Yo, me that's it. Mechia, your teeth one more share. Na mechia lower mania for. Na Madam wants to say, Yama and Tiasie gradually. This weekend, Ejuma Miyani said we move from Asori to Asori.
Okay.
A year to a year in a mosque, to mosque. And I mean explaining Sisheno, the Ayakwako, any PDS for Aqua Transi. Ama Yeti and Wase.
Okay.
Say you were right, any responsibility. And you know, Yebeshe. Na amount for no so on part of the agreement na PDS so no aye ne de.
Okay. Metia say na PURC wo ho.
The PURC in fact asem no me na me go down in PURC because asem no start year no for 2017 ema ntokwa any normal basa bi kra si e wo so menya ema bi mu kra wo court me no kasa sisi ya nanso no epija sisi ya no de me decide ye say akwai say PDS nko na ni nkrofo no and it is wo problem bia say wo bitimi de sie kra na they can hide it.
Okay.
Sanso na ye nkrofo no so no say yenso ye yemfo so bi enso a and it ye third party and as obi a free bia omra na mi ometra two parties in them and you know ampanyampa ye call PURC you know o man fa nya agro immediately and almost sending information at command PDS for say mass disconnection na omo ye no omo hot na omo hwe petition na me de buy no na yen solve you know because the equity any say
so boy my you agreement in the terms of agreement
first agreement ni say sa mass disconnection no ebe holding on.
Okay.
2 sa ya di police for call yes abasa ni nyina no ekọ ho no me explain chira mo say because of the SCCC ni ntino so the police ba ho no ana raise you know tension nti mo police for no nyai afin so no amanfo be man kwan ama PDS for aba wo ho no aba be because of the AC ni ntino wo so say for over a year wo go redeem it away ho no da nti no ye ma wo kwan na wo be redeem it no na kromofo no so no ya kan kire PDS say the notion say kromofo so muntua electricity bill no false or you be ne die some bonia ebia ababe pie wo mo hono mo a ma wo ma form that impression about us wo mo di nam and it is not true ma kire wo mo sabi electricity by krum hono around 71 72 ya tua light bill until 2017 sa bill ya semi buy among for raising consensus I didn't know the bill befu say here then abreye and it no and also no mati ase they have only ejuma to so as leaders me ko na nyame nkwa na me ko me assemblymen ni we na ko as leaders of the communities no yen ko back na ye ni yen krofo no kodi nkuta ho na yen kan kire wo mo you know if indeed the yabe kan kire wo mo say ye no yen say ntua light bill etua but mistakes no by and am panso wo mo nkasa wo mo hwehwe mu a wo ye no wo mo hu say initially no the total bill and they were expecting to you know on the GFE Krobofo area was 192 million Ghana cedis. Woman kasa woman without coming to read the meters no. Woman ka trans woman year woman balances near. Woman will say mistakes woman up to about 203 million Ghana cedis.
Okay.
I must say no. The bill are almost expected, and quantum of bill almost expected from that area. Now, for say, standing 84.
And I make us almost say, Omo Atiasia wavy. Debbie, off. Over 100 million cedis.
No.
84 million class.
One class, ye Kasayan can say after cleaning of data, no. Bill, no, I fee 192, no, Abba 84 million class. Yes.
So it's not a case of your wavy.
Debbie. And you say who say there was a genuine mistake.
Okay.
Woman can say who say in the process of handling of data be generate any app say be 2 years ago.
Okay.
Now 192 and then woman yama aba into akase they will have access to the various homes. Now woman could redeem it.
Okay.
Woman redeem it now. There can be further adjustment because for a year woman could redeem it. And yeah, the idea assembly bar pan the fact say mikra na minti say be political meters woman no kan utie woman ECG for no.
Okay.
One say chef projects here bar if a ministry of energy.
Self-help projects.
Yes, that's right. And woman the say ministry in a contracted contractors no.
Okay.
Into woman communities no we are then they hand over to the then ECG. Okay. Now woman picky meters no. Woman capture woman into the system. What actually happened was that as I speak to you, there are meters I work on one. Woman ya bill crada. Woman you can woman yet to church or light no. No my tension about no. They could not capture these meters early. It be one up to about 12 months. And for 12 months, one ban capture. No me the burn a bar. It's it.
Nana kasa ye koye ni mu no ye say ye use postpaid meters enti many years back 5 or 6 years achakra ye say obi o postpaid kra yes sano na ya man prepaid enti ye den na mo ho no de o mo ma o postpaid even if it's ada shepa
enye yenkwa up till now no postpaid no that's what system no but they make say we no the eco see what I mean the kasa no woman to me ready.
Okay.
So the woman up till now.
In how many years no woman ready?
1.5 years.
Okay.
Perhaps,
okay.
From 2017 he see you know. And no me bisa now no bisa woman say dey woman say woman kwa musuro.
Okay.
So we be kwa bibi because of basa na buy no.
Okay.
But I think say a very nice excuse mo there. A very nice excuse. But you see the me pen me call me catch him say in spite of everything, no. What we want, say, asumdwe ebe adwuma. Because we share the course na a system failure. Say,
before our beba system failure, so what can na PDS for asudie na nkro for no so o masudie was peace agreement in say.
The American say first we say demonstrate to PDS say ampa the year can say electricity bill no you very responsible people you tua you talk electricity you be tua
okay
you use you be tua and pass so kokrum ho no the issue about yes crop of force woman tua it looks strange to them seriously because you tua light bills but the issue na buy you know.
But when him say group be or hosa, you feel almost saying.
They make can say.
What is our group?
No, but they have even come out. I didn't even know so my press conference. But I mean who be say, almost say. Woman, they never say my entire light bill.
I see.
But the omo can say bill na cost no. So they say. And no, near there, they were even if they said that, well, I don't know. But what I'm saying is maybe a member of parliament. You were paramount chief for her. You
are saying two things now. They said they didn't say that. Even if they said
no, what I'm saying is that say Omufo say Obiako Kebibisa. I am a member of parliament. You were paramount chief for Onomo.
Okay.
If Obia the subject Biako Kebibi, now you have doubts. And I say call the MP Nebisa and say because if there's anything me apart from chiefs no I say me
okay sorry I say and for responsibility and one is so betua bill no what about assurance say PDS adwuma ye for no bambo
I know na me ba ho no and in America say we have also given them assurance say won betimi aba ho e ba be ye wo madwuma e ba be ye bibia e wo ho no
mo ne mo nkofo na kasa
ye ni o ye kasa ye ni wo ma kasa in America say and then no dialogue no said no ye ahimfoni assembly elected assembly members amanfo a omu kasa kire amanfo a omu ye den omu tie ye ne omu na ye adwuma no so the gonna say and so far look I've gone enra I spent the whole day me visiting mosques bia lower manya
okay
Saturday no me ko yi ase I met youth groups enra anajo as at 10:30 11 now mrantia begu me ho e wo fie na me kasa kire wo mo
nti we nyina we in the next 3 minutes so that no issue 10 minutes na we say yet it is mo say political twist abam. How does that one come in?
Minister, the regional minister in sense bi o kan here na enye pleasant. I mean Gidi said even the party itself may not be happy with what the minister said because yeah no omo the issues we will remu. Now I wasn't expecting him as the regional chairman of the regional RESEC, even if Omanya our friend saying information be sa warrant so babejina radio so now can it was reckless or say come force yesi entua light bila yesi entua yenko twetwam
what say wasuma no bi na catch one so what confirm from me
and after what he went to market with minister among for kuntokwa penche si
okay
in the midst of enkran we gina hono ka say come force wo muntua electricity bill now there's nothing I free we Ghana apart from free SHS. Oh, I mean trying to divert the discussion, from the issue I was take say, me new and pam yeah, me tia say no. Let me tell you, me bill during that period no, me bill eba me hono me 9,000, 9,800 and something. This month, me bill eba 1 CD 70 pesos or so. It tells you say me back Accra a whole week maybe a Saturday Sunday. Sometimes when me come upon me have meetings
it tells me say bibi were wrong and it tells me say
yes, it tells you
necessary 1 CD.
It tells you there's something wrong.
Okay.
So the big say it tells you there's something wrong because one CD 17 pesos. It tells you there's something wrong. And you mean me rectify that
but what's one amount?
Oh. So
one say problem the nipa na ye adwuma so beba enti ebre am for say problem ho no anya bia o mu copy PDF for say ye bill see the wanwa
mama can say me you see another problem I made two women say one say ye hono no ye wo Yilo municipality and ye wo Manya municipality.
Okay.
Na UCG a one district.
Okay.
One office no so many. So they say so who bon who akusi now your problem with your bill now so offer car now ba so many.
Okay.
And naturally Ghanaians say no obi ko ho no anything no omko na nipa ebu kwakotena ho se ho no kakra na say ebia o peta kwa ni bibia kwa on mabium enti no one of the agreements aye no so say as I say animanimu ya womu be set up say makeshift office bi go ho no because what is going forward no what is going to involve ni say woman ni customers no e be deal one on one wo do bill beba na ya hwe afi so ya gi atum say arrears na e wo ho no at least you be ma obi a minimum of 6 months
so they can have customer points and customer sales
no and yes sales points because there are problems with the bills no
and yes sales but e be a customer centers e be show mo like omo wo Accra ha
beautiful the hair and no na we ma agree say they are going to deploy some officers.
Thank you.
And this is where
maybe I'm
and I'm on the issue of politics. Say
and no one 10 minutes in that song.
Minister, no, listen, Ghana Hano, it is becoming too many, when institutions I am mistake, I am from so. Na politicians abe gia to so and me no ka say tell me ba na me gajo omu go press conference me na me incite among for say omu go demonstration
omu go press conference
MPP it is say no the whole thing is going to turn NDC MPP say PDS4 were ejuma bi say omu ya we are going to put that aside and we fighting each other.